Hi guys, welcome back to London Tamil Sisters. Today we're going to be picking potatoes and apples in our garden. Right now we're picking apples. There's lots of big ones in there, so we're going to be picking them. Ooh, look at these ones. Now we're going to pick one. We picked one. So look at these two, they look cute. They look like cherries. We've picked one and we're going to pick two. Now let's put it in our basket and we're ready to pick some more. This tree has both green and red apples. So we're going to pick some more. Now these are the green ones. These are the two green apples. So there's two types of apples, green and red. Look at these, they look so cute. Wow, we have so many apples in this tree. We've been growing this tree for a very long time now. So that's why this tree is very big and produces a lot of apples. The apples have little shapes in them, like they are shaped in different ways. Wow, this is a big one. Look at the sky, guys. It's like blue and nice. So that's why we come to pick. It's really nice weather today. I like filming the sky because it's really nice today. The clouds look like candy floss. Now we're going to be picking some potatoes, or harvesting. So we're going to pick them now. In this area, it's got chilies and potatoes. But today we're going to be picking the potatoes because the chilies aren't ready. So other plants, but we're going to be picking potatoes today. So we're going to pick it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, we got so many. Wow, look at this big one. Now we're going to pick it and put it into our bowl of where the apples have been. We got so many big ones and little cute little small ones. We're going to pick all the potato plants that we have. We're going to pick the next one. Oh, look at those cute ones. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 2 whole big ones. They got a nice color to them. I'm going to put them inside our bowl. We also found these type of little plants that look like tomatoes, and they're green color on the top of our potato tree. Plant, I mean. We're getting more and more potatoes. Look at how many we got. So now we've picked all of our potatoes. On our last video about gardening, when we planted these potatoes in March, now it is July the 17th and we've picked them, and this is how they turned out. These are the apples in their basket. There's red and green ones, and these are the potatoes. They look nice, and I'm so excited to eat them. I think that they will taste nice. Wow, look how many potatoes we picked, and look how many apples we picked. I think we picked 7 apples today, but we will pick some more later on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Turn on the notification bell. Bye.